How to create a pivot table in Excel. If you want to quickly summarize and analyze your data without using complicated formulas, this video will show you how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. First, make sure your data is organized in a clean table with column headers at the top and your information listed below. Now, click anywhere inside your data range. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Choose where you want to place the pivot table, then click OK. Excel will create a blank pivot table, and you'll see the PivotTable Fields panel on the right side. Here, you can drag and drop your column fields into different sections. You can also add more fields to columns, filters, or values to analyze your data in different ways. That's how you can create a pivot table in Excel and quickly summarize your data without using formulas. If you find this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share it with others.